And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
When the sun was out, it was a cool morning, waking up 20s and 30s, only got up to the 40s. But when the sun was out, it actually felt okay. Not much wind, but then when the clouds came in, it kind of felt like it cooled things off even more. And it kind of had that smell of snow. You know what I'm talking about when you go outside? And yes, there's a little snow in the forecast, but this is going to be mainly a rain event. The reason why, temperatures are in the 40s now, well above freezing, 39 in Coventry. There will be a dip in temperatures through the evening hours, but then after about like 10, 11 o'clock, temperatures go back up again. So what happens is you get that precipitation arriving. It's like a race against time. Can it get here while the temperatures are cold enough? I think the answer to that is yes for northwestern zones, briefly mixing with some rain before changing over to all rain for everybody. So how it works out is we're dry through the evening, a lot of cloud cover that I just showed you. And then after about 9 p.m., 10 p.m., we get some precipitation in here, but notice your temperatures, they start to flatline. They're right at that 37, 38, keeping it mainly rain. Now again, northwest Rhode Island, you're probably flatline around 34, 35, and then your temperatures go up. And that's why you have that opportunity to have a little snow sprinkled in with your rain. Whatever you start off with, you're going to end as rain, and it's going to be mainly a rain event through morning tomorrow, then breezy and we'll say cool in the afternoon. But when I look at the temperatures and where we've been the last couple of days and I see mid to upper 50s, on paper, that looks pretty good temperature-wise, right? There'll be a big spread with the high temperatures tomorrow, too. Northwestern zones may barely hit 50. Everybody else will be in the mid to upper 50s. But with that easterly wind gusting to 25, it will feel a lot cooler. The temperatures will be a bit deceiving. Now, southeastern Mass, a lot of 50s, and you see even some low 60s. What's happening is, and why you see this big spread in temperature, there's a front swinging through the area. So obviously, if it swings through your area first, you don't warm up as much. But if it swings through your area later in the day, like southeastern Mass, you have a chance to pop some low 60s. But again, it will be breezy, kind of rainy in the morning, and it won't feel that warm in the afternoon. Satellite and radar, look at all this precipitation. Look at this swath of snow working up into West Virginia, Pennsylvania. It looks like it's right headed RA. And it is, but not in the form of snow, mainly in the form of rain. So Futurecast, you knew we had the clouds. They were building throughout the afternoon. Here's the onset of the precipitation sometime about 8, 9 o'clock, mainly green and rain. But look at that little thump of snow from about Hartford to northeast Connecticut and right into areas of far northwest Rhode Island. And then quickly changing over to mainly rainfall. The last part of changing over will take place in far northern Rhode Island by 10 p.m., 11 p.m., by midnight. And then 1 a.m., it's just rainfall all the way up the Boston corridor, all the way back into westerly. The icy conditions for areas in northern Worcester County will persist most of the night, and that's where there could be a few slick spots. But even tomorrow morning, changing over to some rain before finally ending at noon, and then a lot of cloud cover in the afternoon. Temperatures eventually dropping, and we get back into the day on Thursday with partly sunny skies, some showers offshore, but overall just a cooler day. So snow forecast still to the north. Travels in Worcester Hills could be a problem. That's why there's a winter weather advisory. But for our area, this is mainly just a rain event with wet roads for the morning commute. Partly sunny Thursday, lots of sun Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But it's cold. Temperatures 40s by day, 20s by night. Tiffany.
Cold indeed. Thanks, Jeff. Still to come on ABC6.